Manta Pacific has now launched the Omni LS DApp. This video will guide users on how to liquid stake Manta through the Manta Pacific network to unlock the liquidity of staked Manta. First, log into omni.ls. Connect your wallet in the top right corner. Select the Manta Pacific network on the left side. Scroll down and click on vMANTA to enter the Manta liquid staking page. Enter the amount of vMANTA you wish to stake, a minimum of 2 Manta. Click Approve. Click Stake Now. Complete the on-chain signature and verification. Wait for a moment, and your vMANTA will be successfully staked. This is the overall process of staking vMANTA on Omni LS. Feel free to give it a try.